As a default, all tasks that are set up within Readiness Manager have a due date equal to the checkout date of the reservation they're associated with. This video is going to show you different ways to change the due date of a task. If you need the due date of a task to be something other than the checkout date of the reservation, you can change it by either going into the reservation itself or through the Readiness Manager grid. To change the due date of a task in the reservation, go to the reservation and click on the Readiness tab. Here you will see a list of tasks that have been assigned to this reservation. Select the task you would like to change the date of. For us, we're going to change the date of the delivered linens. We want them to be delivered at the beginning of the reservation instead of the end of the reservation. When we click on this task, we see that right now the due date is the 29th of September. The reservation is actually checking in on September 22nd, which is when we would like the linens to be delivered. So to change this date, we click the Change Date button. We enter in the new date and click Save Changes. The due date has now been updated, so it will show as due on September 22nd as opposed to September 29th. The second way a due date can be changed on a task is by going to the Readiness Manager grid, either under Housekeeping or by clicking on Readiness Manager in the Quick Access bar. We'll set our due date to out through October so we can see any tasks that are due between the 14th of September and the 7th of October, and we'll scroll down. Here we have another task to deliver linens. Again, it's automatically set to deliver it with the reservation's check-out date, but we will need them delivered with the reservation's check-in date. So to make the change to the due date, click on the clock icon, and we can change this. The reservation is scheduled to check in on the 29th, so we'll make the adjustment and click Save. You will now see that this item has been updated in the Readiness Manager grid as a due date of September 29th. If you have any questions about changing the due date on a task, please let the help desk know either through a ticket or an email to help@vrmgr.com. Please enjoy the other videos in the Readiness Manager series for information about additional areas of the Readiness Manager. Thank you.